I'm starting a series called Be a Man because I think there's a lot of confusion of what it means to be a man. And so I want to explore those different areas. Usually when you hear be a man, it's because someone is hurting, struggling, emotional, or unsure. It's used to tell people to toughen up, stop feeling, or just deal with it. And over time, that phrase stopped meaning growth and it just meant suppression. And so I'm trying to reclaim it, to bring it back to what it was always meant to be. Because often we're told that men are supposed to chase money, power, dominance, and all these other things. But that's not strength, that's just pretending. This series isn't about trying to be impressive. I'm still learning what integrity looks like, what self-control looks like, what courage looks like, what all these different areas of what a man should look like. This isn't for people who want to look powerful. This is for people who want to be whole. And that's what this is. Be a man.